Hello guys, this is God's Power. As you can see this money, you can see I will show you exactly how you can make this type of money. You can see $9 is free. This money is free. All I just want you to do is to pay attention. I will show you how you can make this type of money. First, let me show you how you can download it. So first, to download the application is very simple. What you need to do, go to www.mcmoney.com www.mcmoney.com. So once you land on the website, it will open up. This is how the website homepage look from your smartphone. On your computer, it might look different. So as you can see, this is the application. So you can contact them on WhatsApp, you can contact them by email, you can contact them by Facebook Messenger, or you can contact them through their Facebook page. So yeah. So how do you make money with this application? This application, they partner with other companies that want to like verify their messages. Like when they send message, what they do is that they send you message every time, and this message is not that they are sending it to you for any reason. It's just for them to verify that, okay, the message they want to send to their client or their customers is validated message. The message is going through. So they are using your own smartphone to test these messages. So that is what this application do. You receive a message and you will get paid for just receiving this type of messages. So how can you use this application? The first thing is to download the application. You install you process the installation, you register with your phone number, and you receive an SMS and you make money. That is how it works. It's very simple. Download the application, register and with your phone number, and receive an SMS, and you will get paid. So once you receive the minimum amount to cash out is $5. So let me say you hit that minimum amount to cash out. How you can get paid is through PayPal. So let me say, for example, you are wondering how you will receive your money. So you don't need to worry. You will receive your money cash into your PayPal account. So that is what you need to know about this application. And other thing they have a referral program where you will refer people to this program, and you will still get paid by referring people to this program. So if you want to join it, my referral link will be in the description below. You can use that if you want. It's not compulsory, but if you want. If you do it, I will make $1.99 for using my referral code. So yeah, let me show you how you can download it. So to download the app is very simple. You see the download button, just click on the download MC Money 3.9.1. Now click on that and it will pop up this screen, and you click on install MC Money app. It will tell you this app might harm your device. Don't worry about this. Click on download anyway. So now you have been downloaded. You need to click on open. Click on the app to open it, and it's telling you that you want to update this app. You click on update. So let me say, for example, if you have not collected the update, because I already have it, that is why it's showing like update on my own. But if you have already installed it, it will if you have not installed it, it will tell you that you should install the app. So once you have installed it, then you will now go and register on the application. So once you have downloaded the app, to register, like I said, is very simple. Just your phone number and your email. That is really what you need to register. It's very simple. It's not complicated. You just enter your phone number and you are good to go. So once you have verified your phone number, then all you just need to do, make sure you have internet connection, and that is only what you need. Have internet connection. You don't need to do anything. You don't need to take stuff. You don't need to complete any task. All I said, just install the application, register with your phone number, and once you receive message, you will get paid. That is how it works. Let me show you the type of message I'm receiving. So this is the type of message that I'm receiving. You can see this MC info here. You can see this type of message. Immediately I received this message, I got paid 4 cents. Every time I receive a message, I'll be getting paid each time 4 cents. So I'm receiving message every single day. I'm receiving message. So that is how I'm making money with this application. Let me show you the application now. So as you can see, this is the application. If I click on it, it will open up. So this is the application. As you can see currently right now, I have $9.60 plus the referrals I have, plus the people that I have referred. I have referred to people that have completed the threshold of referral, and I have $2 plus this one, which is almost $11, $11 plus. That is how much I have currently on my account, right, which is I'm going to cash out on this video. So as you can see, he's telling me to cash out. It's a cash out now. So if I want, I can just click on cash out. The money will be sent into my PayPal account. So that is how you can cash out if you want to cash. If I click on cash out, the money will be sent into my PayPal account. If I click on this icon here, when you click on account, that area is where you are going to enter your phone number, your, maybe if you have not registered with your phone number, you can enter your phone number, or you can enter your payment method, and etc, etc. So if I click on Any's here, you will see I'm not just talking, I have already make money into my PayPal account with this application. So if I click here again, I click on referral here, which is what I told you. You can use my referral code. You can see the people that are referred to this program. Those are the people that have completed the referral threshold, and I just received the money, which is 96 cents per each person that complete their referral threshold. So that is what I need to talk about this application. And now we are going to move to cash out. Let us go and cash out on this application. Like I said, receive SMS, you get paid 4 cents for per message. So that is how you can get paid. So what I need to do here now is to click on cash out. I'll click on start. I'll come here. I'll click now on. So now it pop up my PayPal account. It say cash out now. Thanks for helping us improve SMS message delivering worldwide. Here is your reward. Please fill in your PayPal email. Fill in your PayPal email address and cash out now. So this is my PayPal email. I will click on cash out now. You see the button at the bottom. Pay. It say cash out with PayPal. So I'll click on that. Is processing. So you can see that my account now is 0. So I have just cash out. So if we come to this section where I say earnings, I click on earnings here, you will see that my cash out, my payout is on pending. So you can see it here, and I'll receive this money within 4 weeks. You can see say expected payout date within 4 weeks. I'll receive this $11 that you can see here. So $11.09. So that is how you can use this application to make some free money online. And all I just did is to just install the application, and each time I receive SMS, I get paid. So that is how it works. I hope this will help those of you to make some free cash online, So that is it. And I will say, if you like this video, you know what to do. Subscribe, like this video, and share it with your friend. I will say thank you very much, and see you on the next one.